You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in Spanish. Yes, it's a name of Spanish origin, also Portuguese. It exists also in Portuguese, but Melquiades, that's your Spanish pronunciation here. Melquiades, with a stress on the ki syllable, because there's an accent on the I. Portuguese is similar. Melquiades, or in Spanish, Melquiades. English pronunciation, you can say it as Melquiades. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.